Chapter 2, the first lesson, it's called Properties of Addition. We have three properties of addition. The first property, it's called commutative. Commutative means I switch a number, I switch in numbers. Okay, like 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 4 plus 3 equals also 7. So when I switch in numbers, give me the same answer. The second property, it's called additive identity. Whose the additive identity is a 0. When I add a 0 to any number, give me the same answer. Like 8 plus 0 equals 8 and 0 plus 8 equals 8. The third one, it's called associative property or associative property. Means I use it when I have more than two numbers plus each other, like 7 plus 4 plus 6. So I have to use associative property to can split between the numbers. Take any two number and put it inside the brackets and the third number outside. So if I take 7 plus 4 and kick 6 out, so it gives me 17. When I take it 4 plus 6 together and 7 outside, it gives me also 17. Okay? Complete to find the sum. Letter A. 15 plus 5 equals 5 plus, so before equal and after equal must be the same because they are equal each other. So here I have 5, but what is the missing number? 15 equals 20. What is the name of the property? 15 plus 5 equals 5 plus 15. I switch in number, so this is commutative. Okay. Letter B. 2514 plus 0. When I find the 0, it gives me the same answer. So this is called additive identity. Identity is a 0. Okay. Okay. Letter C. 92 plus 321 plus 8 equals 92 plus 8 plus 321. So here he switched between two numbers. So when I switch, it's called commutative. So I'm gonna write commutative. But I'm gonna write it by shortcut. Okay? So here I have three numbers. We said before, when I have more than two numbers plus each other, I have to choose associative property. He put outside 321. So inside I'm gonna put 92 and the 8. So when I have brackets, it's called associative or associative. Okay? After that, find the answer of the bracket first. 92 plus 8 equals 100. And outside we have 321. When I add them, it's equal 421. Number letter F. 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 equals 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. So he switched between two numbers, right? So this is called commutative by shortcut. And we said if I have more than two numbers plus each other, take each two numbers and put it inside the bracket associative. Like I will choose the 7 plus 3 together and the 5 plus the 8 together. Okay? This is associative. And after that, find the answer. Okay? So 7 plus 3 equals 10, right? So I'm gonna write 10. And the second bracket 5 plus 8 equals 13. When I add 10 plus 13 equals 23. Okay. Question number 4. Find each sum into two different way. So I have here 12 plus 28 plus 30 plus 25. When I have more than two numbers, I have to use parentheses or brackets. Okay? Okay. So the first way, I'm gonna choose any number I want. Like I will put 12 plus 28 together plus 13 plus 25 together. Okay, find the answer of the first bracket. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus, here, the second bracket, 0 plus 5 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And finally, get the final answer. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. What about the second way? The second way, I will choose another two numbers, put it inside the brackets. Like, I'm gonna choose 28 plus 30 together, plus 12 and 25 together, and find the answer of each number, each bracket. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Plus the second bracket, 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And finally, get the final answer. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So it must have the same answer in both ways, okay? Solve the problems and circle the property or properties you used to solve the problems. Then write your own problems showing the same property and using the same numbers. Like here, if I have 7 plus 3 plus 5, when I have more than two numbers, I have to use associative property. So I will take any two number and put it inside the bracket, like 7 plus 3 together and outside 5. So find the answer of the brackets first. 7 plus 3 equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay. Question number B. 15 plus 20 plus 13. I have more than two numbers, so I have to choose associative property. Okay. Take it together. 5 plus 10 plus 20 together, and outside we have 13. Get the answer of the bracket. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And outside, don't forget, we have 13. Equals 5 plus 3 equals 8. With 3 plus 1 equals 4. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following represent the commutative? Commutative means what? Switch in numbers. Okay, which one is the switch? Yes, number 1. Letter A. Okay. Number 2. 13 plus 0 equals 13. So when I have 0, this means additive identity. Number 3. Basim wrote 13 plus 7 plus 41 equals 13 plus 7 plus 41. Using which property? When I have brackets, it's called associative property. Number 4. Which equation would be best to include in an explanation of the commutative property of addition? Commutative means a switching number. Which one is the switching number? Letter P. Switched. Number 5. Wafa wrote the statement 10 plus 5 plus 20 equals 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5. Which properties of addition did he use? She used. Sorry, we have mistake. She used. Select the two properties. Okay. First, I see the order 10, 5, 20. But here 10, 25. So he switched number. So the first is commutative. What is the second one? She used brackets. So when I use brackets mean associative. So letter A also. Thank you for watching.